Losing a loved one is one of life's most difficult experiences, and amidst the heavy waves of grief, the responsibility of making end-of-life arrangements can quickly feel overwhelming. If you are considering cremation for yourself or a beloved family member, you likely have many questions. It is a deeply personal choice, and it is completely normal to seek clarity and comfort during such a challenging time. In this guide, we are here to walk alongside you. We will gently explore the most frequently asked questions about cremation, providing you with the clear, compassionate answers you need to make the right decision for your family. When a loved one passes, understanding the cremation process can bring a sense of peace during a difficult time. The journey begins when the funeral home takes your loved one into their care. From the very first moment, they are treated with the utmost dignity and respect. A strict identification process is established immediately, ensuring peace of mind for the family throughout the entire process. Before the cremation takes place, a thorough checklist is completed. Any battery-operated medical devices, like pacemakers, are safely removed to prevent hazards. The deceased is then placed in a combustible, rigid cremation container or a specialized cremation casket selected by the family. This ensures respectful handling and provides absolute dignity as they are prepared for the final transfer into the cremation chamber. A modern cremation facility is a clean, technologically advanced environment built with safety and efficiency in mind. The cremation chamber, sometimes referred to as a retort, is heated to extreme temperatures, usually between 1400 and 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. Within this chamber, the intense heat reduces the body to its basic elements and bone fragments. This transformative process is carefully monitored by certified professionals, and it typically takes between 2 to 3 hours to complete. Following the cremation, the remains are allowed to cool completely. Any remaining metal objects, such as surgical pins or jewelry not removed beforehand, are carefully separated. The remaining bone fragments are then processed into a fine, sand-like consistency, commonly known as ashes. Finally, these cremated remains are placed in an urn or temporary container, ready to be safely returned to the family, completing the dignified journey. Navigating the practical side of losing a loved one can feel overwhelming, especially when you are grieving. But understanding the steps involved in cremation can bring a sense of peace. Let's look at the necessary paperwork. Before cremation can take place, specific legal requirements must be met to ensure everything is handled respectfully and correctly. The administrative process begins with obtaining a certified death certificate. Once that is secured, depending on local laws, a medical examiner or coroner may need to approve the cremation. Most importantly, the legal next of kin will need to sign a comprehensive cremation authorization form. A compassionate funeral director will typically guide you step by step through gathering these essential documents, ensuring you never feel alone in the process. So, what does the typical timeline look like? While regulations vary by location, there is almost always a mandatory legal waiting period. Often, this requires waiting 24 to 48 hours after a death has occurred before the cremation process can legally proceed. This crucial window allows adequate time for the completion and processing of all the necessary legal paperwork and permits. Making these decisions in advance through pre-planning can significantly ease the administrative burden on your family later. By outlining your exact wishes and preparing the required authorizations ahead of time, you provide a clear roadmap. This thoughtful preparation ensures that during a deeply emotional moment, your loved ones can focus on supporting each other and healing, rather than worrying about logistics. As we look towards more sustainable choices in every aspect of life, a gentle and eco-friendly alternative to traditional cremation has been quietly gaining momentum. It is commonly known as water cremation or aquamation, and scientifically as alkaline hydrolysis. This innovative approach offers a different way to honor a loved one's final transition, replacing the intense heat of fire with the soothing properties of water. Rather than using flames, Aquamation utilizes the continuous flow of water combined with alkalinity to gently accelerate the natural breakdown of the human body. The process takes place in a specialized modern stainless steel vessel. By using a measured combination of warm water and an alkali salt, it mimics the exact natural decomposition that occurs in the soil, but completes the cycle in a matter of hours instead of years. For families deeply concerned about their ecological footprint, the environmental benefits of water cremation are profound. Unlike traditional flame cremation, aquamation produces no direct emissions of harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Furthermore, it operates on a mere fraction of the energy, using approximately 90% less energy than standard cremation, making it one of the greenest end-of-life options available today. Beyond the environmental advantages, many families find emotional comfort in the gentle nature of water. At the end of the aquamation process, the result is the exact same sterile bone fragments as traditional cremation. These are dried, processed into a fine ash, and respectfully returned to the family in an urn. It offers a deeply peaceful and serene conclusion that aligns with a desire to leave a minimal footprint on the earth. Once cremation is complete, families often wonder what steps to take next. Keeping the cremated remains in an urn is a comforting and classic choice. Today, urns are crafted from a wide variety of beautiful materials, ranging from carved wood and polished stone to biodegradable paper, allowing you to choose a vessel that truly reflects your loved one's personality. For those with a deep connection to nature, scattering the ashes offers a symbolic release. Families frequently choose a serene natural landscape or a calm body of water to return their loved one to the earth. Just remember to check local regulations first, as some public lands and waterways do require a simple permit. Cremation also does not mean you have to forego a traditional resting place. Many families opt to bury the urn in a family cemetery plot or place it within a columbarium niche. These choices provide a permanent, physical location where family and friends can visit and find quiet moments of reflection. Highly personal memorial options have also become increasingly popular. You can incorporate a small portion of ashes into beautiful cremation jewelry, like glass pendants or engraved lockets. Families can even choose unique services, like turning ashes into a living memorial tree, ensuring their loved one's memory continues to grow and shine. Navigating the end-of-life journey is deeply personal, and choosing the right path for yourself or a loved one is a profound decision. We hope this guide has brought clarity to the cremation process, empowering you to make choices that honor your values and bring peace to your family. Remember, you do not have to make these decisions alone. Seeking professional guidance can provide much-needed comfort and clarity during such difficult times. For more support, resources, and compassionate assistance, please visit funeralus.com. Let us help you honor a life beautifully lived. Thank you so much for watching. We know that navigating these decisions can be incredibly difficult, and we hope this guide has provided you with clarity and comfort. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more supportive resources. Leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. Take gentle care of yourself, and we will see you next time.